Let me ask you something. You've got money sitting in your saving account right now. Might be £500, might be £5,000, and you feel good about that because at least you are saving. Wrong. The money is losing value every single day. And the bank, they are using your money to invest, to lend, and to grow, and paying you 3% interest and pocketing the rest. You have been working for the bank. Today, we flip the script. Why? Your saving account is making you broke in the UK. My name is Frank. I grew up watching my family work hard, save hard, and still never get ahead. Nobody in my circle talk about investing. Nobody explained it what a stock was, what a ISA was, and why putting money in the bank account wasn't the same as building wealth. I had to learn and find out by myself. And when I did it, everything changed. This channel exists so that the Black British families don't have to start from zero the way I did. We are going to talk about real money, real strategy, and real result. All built for the UK. No fluff, no gatekeeping. Let's go. Hear what nobody tells you. The UK inflation rate over the last 2 years has averaged over 7%. Your saving account is paying you average 3 to 4% if you are lucky, with the best easy access account. Do the math. You are losing 3% of your money purchasing power every single year. If you've got 10,000 saved, that's £300 disappearing silently and visibly every 12 months. The average Black British household has £6 in financial wealth for every £60 held by white British household. That is not an accident. That's a result of a system that was never designed to include us. And of nobody never teach us the alternative. We are the alternative. So let's talk actually what beat the inflation. I'm gonna give you 3 options right now, from beginners to advanced. Option 1, and this is where you start, is a stock and share ISA. In the UK, every adult gets £20,000 tax allowance every tax year. That means you can invest £20,000 every tax year completely tax-free. No capital gain tax, no dividend tax, absolutely nothing. And you can open one as little as £1 to any platform like Trading 212 or Freetrade. Inside of ISA, the simplest things you can do is to buy an index fund, things like Vanguard, FTSE, All World, ETF. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It tracks thousands of companies across the globe. Average return 8 to 10% per year over the long term. Compare that to your 3% saving account. The difference over 20 years is staggering. Let me show you the numbers. If you put £200 a month in a saving account at 3%, after 20 years, you will have around 65,000. The same £200 invested in average 8% return every year, you are looking at £118,000. That is £53,000 extra doing the same thing, just in the right place. Option 2, once you are comfortable, it's dividend. Buying share in UK companies that pay you a percentage of their profit every quarter. You literally get paid to hold the stocks. Companies like Legal & General, Aviva, National Grid, all pay dividend above 5% right now. Option 3, and we will go deep on this future video, and that is property. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a landlord to own a property. REITs, real estate investment trust, let you own a slice of a commercial property, student accommodation, and logistic warehouse. And all this can be done if you invested your money in the stock market. The point is this: your money needs to be working for you, not sitting still, not losing value, working for you. If this video open up your eyes, I need you to do 3 things right now. First, smash the subscribe button so you get notified when my next video is up. It's all about building wealth together and own the block. Second, drop a comment below and tell me how much money do you have sitting in your saving account right now. No judgment. This is a safe space. I want to know where you are starting from. Share this with one person in your life who needs to hear it. A family member, a friend, someone who's saving but not investing. Because we rise together. I'm Frank. Welcome to Frank Invest. We build, and see you in the next one.